how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Microsoft Copilot is your AI assistant built into Windows 11 that helps you with tasks, answers questions, and can even control settings. So, on most new Windows 11 PCs, it comes installed by default and you can access it directly from the taskbar or a keyboard shortcut. However, if it is not available, then you can head over to your Microsoft Store and then in the search bar at the top, search for Copilot, hit enter, and then you'll find the Microsoft Copilot option. If it is not installed, then you can tap on it and then install it. Now I'll show you how to enable it using shortcut. So you will need to press the Windows key and C at the same time. And then you can see that it launches Copilot instantly. Now you can ask anything to Copilot. Here are some suggestions. You can just tap on it and then hit enter, and Copilot will answer your question in just few seconds. That's it. It's as simple as that. So, you know now how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11 using just keyboard shortcut. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.